The Center for Disease Control just put Italy at level 4, its highest risk for the coronavirus, and advises you against traveling here. Case numbers are on the rise, but what if you still want to come and vacation in this beautiful place? Not so bad today. I need a haircut. Oh, 5 years younger. Matteo, good work.
Thank you.
Fresh new hairdo. Oh, look at this car right there. I love the Fiat 500. Now let's get into some serious information, because yesterday, Monday, December 13th, the CDC listed Italy in its highest risk category, level 4, along with 2 other countries. The Center for Disease Control says that you should not travel to Italy, avoid traveling to Italy, and if you must, make sure you're fully vaccinated against the coronavirus. It comes as last week it put Italy's neighbor France at level 4 as well. Europe is struggling to deal with the coronavirus as hospitalization rates are going up. The Omicron variant is ripping through Europe. Some countries, including the UK and Germany, they're already at the level 4, the Center for Disease Control, highest risk. What are your plans for Christmas? Are you staying in the US? Are you staying at home? Or are you planning on traveling? Let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna walk you through all the details of this latest measure by the CDC and what's going on here in Italy. And stick around till the end of the video, because I'm gonna give you all the information, all the documents you might need if you plan on traveling to Italy soon. The news that the CDC put Italy at level 4 comes as the level of new cases, a rise in new cases, is happening all around Italy, including here in Florence. Now, though there's a whopping 74% of the population vaccinated here in Italy compared to 60% in the United States, new cases are on the rise. Back in October, it was 2,000 new cases a day, and now it's up to nearly 20,000 new cases a day. On Sunday, we had just over 19,000 new cases reported. And the hospitals are becoming overwhelmed. Studies have shown that it's mostly the unvaccinated filling up the beds. And in those regions where the hospitals have reached their threshold, the government has started to reintroduce Italy's color-coded system: white, yellow, orange, and the dreaded red. The region of Friuli Venezia Giulia was already yellow, along with the province of Bolzano, and now Calabria, the region down in the south, has gone yellow. Oh, look at these girls. With the coronavirus case numbers rising and the spread of the Omicron variant, big cities in Italy, Milan, Bologna, and including here in Florence, have put in place a face mask rule for both indoors and outdoors. And the Italian government has also recently tightened the rules on those unvaccinated people, hoping to get some of them jabbed. Now those people can no longer enter restaurants, museums, and sports venues. The government continues to monitor the situation to see if some regions need to be put into yellow or to orange. As the winter continues, COVID case numbers rise and the uncertainty on the Omicron variant continues. But it's not all doom and gloom. As you can see here in Florence, life goes on. And I'm gonna tell you all about that and all the details you need to know if you're gonna be traveling here to Italy. But first, that's much better. Have you been to Europe, or do you plan on making a trip here soon? Let me know down in the comments if you have and what your plans are, or if you plan on visiting soon, let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm gonna give all the links to all this information down in the description below, but let's go over the details about what you need to have if you're traveling here to Italy. You're gonna need your CDC vaccination card or green pass, something to show you've been vaccinated. You're gonna need to fill out that passenger locator form, and that's given to you when you check into your flight or when you arrive at the airport, so don't worry about that. And the final thing, what many of you have been asking me, yes, you need to be tested for coronavirus even if you already have your CDC vaccination card or your green pass. Italy requires that you have a test for coronavirus 72 hours before you depart for your flight. I'm going to put all the links to that information, the U.S. Embassy's website here in Italy and Italy's health department website that has all the information so you can study before you make your trip to Italy. CDC has now put Italy at level 4 for its coronavirus risk. But don't be put off. If you make the effort and you're safe, it's well worth a trip to Italy.